Hey guys, I'm back again. So right now I'm going to feature Data Ownership Protocol, or in short it's DOP, in which our data, our rules. But here's the thing. For recent weeks, there's a lot of hype going on in DOP, and I am really curious about it at first. But at the end of the day, I want to try this one, especially that they've already had a testnet opportunity for all of the participants, and the airdrop is confirmed if you have participated in the testnet campaign of DOP. So before we get things started, make sure that you smash the subscribe button, hit like, and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this. And guys, just to let you all know that we are not promoting any financial or investment advice, so please kindly acknowledge the disclaimer that I have right here on this video and in the description, as this is only intended for educational, entertainment, and informative purposes, just to be fair and transparent to all. So I am not encouraging nor discouraging you from taking part of this opportunity, because cryptocurrencies and Web3 projects like this one are subject to substantial risk and are prone to high volatility depending on the market conditions. And not only that, this doesn't give any promises or astronomical guaranteed returns. So if you choose to take part of this opportunity, well, that is on you already. Your money, your decision, your risk, your responsibility. Well, in other words, play safe and participate at your own risk. And it's better for you to acknowledge the risk and learn how to manage them at the same time. And of course, all of the insights that I have right here about DOP is going to be unbiased. I am not sponsored or paid in doing this video, especially the tutorial side of DOP. Just sharing you about my experience, okay? So before we head over to the testnet task, guys, so let's try to dig down deep, about DOP. So it's our data and our rules. So they are utilizing a zero knowledge proof in order to allow flexible transparency on top of the layer 1 of Ethereum. So it allows users like us and decentralized applications to store assets and make transactions privately or selectively disclose token holdings and historical information. So here's a good thing. As what I've understood about DOPs, they are taking privacy to the next level, especially if we keep doing transactions on the blockchain. So on top of the Ethereum layer 1, this kind of concept is allowing flexible transparency. So when we're going to store our assets or to make transactions that involves DOP, we now have the opportunity to do it privately. So you could explore the testnet, in which I'm going to show it to you later on. And of course, you could read the white paper for you to learn some in-depth information about DOP. And if you scroll down, so here are the supported tokens of DOP. So there are many of them. So you can see about their dilemma and of course the approach of the DOP as well. You could read them right here, and of course the advantages over existing options such as bringing data ownership to Ethereum, data control, zero knowledge KYC, customized data disclosure, and has an ecosystem development. So the testnet is now live, so we will be going to that later on. And of course, guys, over transparency is not a feature, so it's a bug. This is why they really cared about our privacy and data ownership protocol. The team behind data ownership protocol is building this amazing concept, and it creates a lot of hype around the corner. And speaking of the hype, guys, so let's check out their acts. You see, last November 8th, so data ownership protocol is one of the sponsors of the Binance Blockchain Week, and this is their booth last time. And of course, guys, here's a short clip. So I'm going to play this video for you to listen. So here we go.
Hi, hello guys, Emax is here. We are right now in Istanbul on Binance Blockchain Week. This is our beautiful DOP booth. Come and check our merchandise and testnet. See you here.
So that's the message from one of the team members of Data Ownership Protocol. And let's check them out right here. So they have discussed this exact topic at the Binance Blockchain Week. So that was last November 8th. And here's another video clip. Now let's try to play the video.
At DOP, we believe that crypto will never, ever go mainstream if every time that we're using our crypto wallet, the other person, the receiver, okay, can see all of our financial information. Doesn't make sense. So we are dreaming about being mainstream. We are dreaming about mass adoption, and we can continue dreaming about it if we won't bring a realistic solution, a certain, and the key word here is a certain level of privacy. At DOP, we invented a new paradigm, okay? We call it flexible transparency. We're allowing our users to choose, okay, to control what they share and with whom. We are on Ethereum mainnet, okay? So, and that's big. We can transact on Ethereum. We already have this technology, by the way. We can transact privately on Ethereum, and that's great. But if I will take this Ethereum wallet supported by DOP and look for it on Etherscan, I'll see nothing. It will be blank. If we will go to DOP Explorer, everything that you choose to make public will be visible. All the proofs that you've created, all these zero knowledge proofs will be visible. It's like a social media profile. We can see your NFT, transaction histories, assets, everything. I'm going to say this. We believe that over transparency, it's not a feature. It's not a feature. It's a bug, and we're going to fix it. Thank you.
You see? That's their mission, guys, you know, to make a difference right here, in which they are valuing our privacy, no matter how many transactions that we do in Ethereum. So they are taking things to a whole new level in terms of privacy. So let's go back. And of course, guys, you could see the other stuff right here, like watching some of their videos and other updates that they have. And of course, guys, right here in the Philippines, they've also had a DOP year-end event. So I'm going to show it to you right now. Okay, so this is the official DOP Philippines group right here on Facebook. So you can watch the Christmas and year-end party of the DOP Philippines here in this video. Okay, so you can just play it. Now, here's what we have been waiting for, guys. It's time for us to explore the testnet of DOP. I'm going to click Explore Testnet for us to begin. Okay, so it says DOP Testnet Terms and Conditions. I have read and agreed to the terms and conditions. So all I have to do is to enter my email address. So once we have entered, so let's click Continue. If this is your first time, so all you have to do is to create your wallet. If you already have an existing one, so you can just import your wallet here, okay? When you're going to create your wallet right here on DOP, so it's like the other non-custodial wallet. So they're going to generate you a seed phrase composed of 12 words. So all you have to do is to write them down and save it somewhere safe, alright? But in my case, I already have a DOP wallet, so I just need to import. All I have to do is to write down my seed phrases here, okay? Okay, so after I'm done importing my seed phrase as well as my new password, so all I have to do is to click submit, and then I'm going to enter my password again. Now I'm going to unlock it. Okay, so it says, welcome to DOP's testing environment. So I start. First, we need to connect our MetaMask. But here's the thing, guys. Just a heads up before you're going to take part of this opportunity. Make sure that your MetaMask is not your main wallet. So it's better for you to create a new MetaMask address and not the existing one. Just to make sure for your safety. Okay, so I click MetaMask. And then we switch network to Sepolia ETH. So I switch. Now that we are in, guys, first things first, we need to sign with X. So I'm going to do it right now. Alright, so authorize data ownership protocol to access my account. So I authorize. And then we follow DOP on X. So I've already done that. So I just mark this checkbox and click done. Okay, after that, guys, let's try to claim Sepolia ETH. So it's currently loading. Okay, so it's already completed. So let's try to check my wallet. So I got 0.08 Sepolia ETH right now. But just to give you an idea regarding Sepolia ETH, you know, when you're going to go to step number 2, you will only receive something like 0.08. But if you want some additional Sepolia ETH, you can just go right here on sepoliafaucet.com, and then you just have to enter your wallet address, and then they're going to send you some Sepolia ETH. So you can do this once every 24 hours. And then the next one is to claim testnet DOP. And then we just have to add this contract to our wallet. So I'm going to go back to my MetaMask. And then for the tokens, guys, I will import a token and then paste this contract address. So it's automatically generated. So here we go. I import it and then I'm going to claim it. Okay, my MetaMask pops up. So I have to pay the gas fee in Sepolia F. So I confirm. So we just have to wait, guys. So the transaction is confirmed. Now it's time for step 4. Claim tested assets. So we have the options here, the test USDC and the other ones here. So let's say I'm going to do the test USDT. Once again, I'm going to copy this. Go to my MetaMask. And for the tokens, you see that I have 1000 DOP right now. So I'm going to import this to test USDT. Okay, here we go. And then I just claim. Once again, I have to pay the gas in Sepolia F and wait for the transaction to confirm. Alright, so it's confirmed right now. Now you will practice encrypting assets with DOP, then you'll be able to use the encrypted assets for confidential transactions. Okay, so let's get started. So we select the token. Okay, for this one, USDT. So for example, I'm going to like 5,000 only. And then we encrypt. So I'm going to confirm. It says the custom spending cap should be max. So I click next. Here we go. Alright, so the transaction is confirmed, but we have to do it again. I think the first one is for approval, and this one is for confirming the transaction. Alright, so it's confirmed. Successfully encrypted 5,000 USDT. So we close. So I've successfully completed my task. Alright, so we're almost there. Send assets. Now you will practice sending your encrypted assets. After completing this step, you could check your wallet transactions on the blockchain. Okay. Now, let's get started. Okay, so first we have to choose this. Okay, and then select the asset USDT and the amount. Let's say 1,000. So I'm going to click send. So here it is. I confirm. All right. So once again, I set it to max, and then I just approve. And once it's done, there will be another pop-up. Okay, another one. Okay, so this is the fee. So I click confirm, and let's see what happens. Okay, so it's confirmed, successfully transferred. Click close. I successfully completed my task, and then it's time for us to accomplish this final step. So we decrypt assets. So we decrypt some of the assets that were encrypted in step 4. After the decryption, they will go back to being regular tokens that are visible on the blockchain. So I get started. So this is my external account, the dummy one. So I select my asset. Then for the amount to decrypt, let's say 2,000. And then I have to enter my password. Once you do that, so let's click decrypt. Okay, so here we go. Confirm. First, of course, so we have to confirm it. And we just have to wait and see. I have successfully decrypted 2,000 USDT. So I click close. Okay, so it says, congratulations, I have successfully completed the DOP testnet. Alright. And of course, here is a bonus. For every user that we refer, so we get additional 20% of the reward. So guys, if you haven't started the DOP testnet yet, so I would really appreciate, guys, if you are going to use the invite link that I have right here on the video description. So all you have to do is to copy that invite link into your browser and then just create your wallet and proceed to complete all of these steps as what I've shown you. So you can see right here, guys, in their white paper on page 9. So for the testnet rewards, the allocation for active testnet participants and security bounties, there is a vesting period of 24 months. This is just to give you guys a heads up. So there you have it, guys. At least I've shared to you regarding the data ownership protocol, especially their offline activities like the Binance Blockchain Week and the year-end party in the DOP Philippines, as well as a step-by-step tutorial in completing the DOP testnet tasks. So if you want more information, I provided all the resource links right here on the video description. So I would really appreciate some honest feedback from you guys regarding the data ownership protocol, or DOP in short. So we're going to appreciate your honest feedback here regarding this project. And if you have some questions that were not covered right here in this video of mine, I would try my best to answer them for you, or you can just simply head over to the official socials of Data Ownership Protocol and get in touch with the real admins and mods to potentially answer your queries. And guys, one more thing. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button, hit like, and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this. And if you think that this video is quite helpful and valuable to you, kindly do not hesitate or think twice in sharing this to your friends out there, especially those who are so enthusiastic regarding testnets, airdrops, DeFi, and so much more. So I do have a question for you. Did you enjoy watching this video? Has this video helped you a lot and gives value in any way? And what do you think about it? Just let me know right here in the comment section. So once again, this is Nomad Fury, and I'll see you all on my next video.